How to connect TikTok Shop to Shopify Store 2025. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to connect your TikTok Shop into our Shopify store. So you could easily do it inside of your Shopify store. So simply look over here on the left side, click on Add Apps, and over here you will see a pop-up. If you can't see this pop-up, you can simply click on Apps over here and click on All Recommended Apps. After that, click on Shopify App Store. After clicking on Shopify App Store, you will be redirected to another page where you will be able to see like the Shopify App Store and all of the different apps, and simply search over here in the search bar TikTok Shop. Here we go. And then over here, you will be able to find the app that you will need to connect to your TikTok Shop. So there are different apps over here. There's lots of different apps. So simply select the one that you want. For me, I would recommend this one since it is actually free. SPL TikTok Shop Connector. It's free. As you can see, you will be able to sync products to your TikTok Shop. But there are also plans that you could get if you want more features. So simply click on install this one, and you will then be able to be prompted to log into your TikTok Shop store and simply enter your different information just like how you typically log into your TikTok Seller Center, and then you will then be able to integrate and connect these two platforms. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.